Hello, I'm Dr. David Yates, and I want to welcome you to Safety Engineering OSH 5302 course. Again, I'm Dr. David Yates, and I'll be your instructor throughout the course. And in addition to being the instructor, I also help develop and design the current course. This can be a very difficult course if you let it be, meaning that there's quite a bit of problem solving using math, and math tends to scare a lot of people. However, just to put you at ease, there's nothing greater than any basic college algebra or some basic trigonometric functions. And I try to present examples in the unit study guides that will kind of mirror the unit assessments or journal entries, whatever they may be, or the projects. So I would highly encourage you to review the unit study guides each week. Okay? In order to be successful in this program, you obviously have to read the materials and submit all assignments. But one of the most important things to me is to communicate with me if you're starting to have problems. Communicate with me early. And I have found, I don't think there's a problem that we together, students and I, have not been able to solve and get the individual a little bit more comfortable. So again, communicate with me. I lead a very busy life. My telephone number, which I'll give you, is area code 217-413-8205. But please email me first and let me know you're going to call so we can schedule a call. We'll schedule it. We'll need to know kind of what the topic is, so I'll kind of be prepared for the call so I don't waste your time or mine. And so another thing is, this course is not just about plugging in numbers. I want you to learn how to actually use these equations, when to use the equations, and what the purpose for them are. As I said, because math can be difficult for some, what I offer you is, before you actually do a submission, you're welcome to email me those, at least the math portions, and just say, hey, look, Professor, take a look at this. Tell me if I'm on the right track or if I'm not. And if you're not, I'll kind of walk you through and tell you where I think your problems are. And together, it may take 2 or 3 emails to go back and forth, but eventually we'll get there without me actually giving you the correct answer. One thing you'll notice is that this course is designed using the new Ultra format that may be different from other materials or other courses that you've taken at Columbia Southern. Me personally, I like it better because I get a lot more interaction with students. One thing you'll find is there's 2 live lectures that are, one is in Unit 2 and one is in Unit 6. And attendance at the live lectures are highly encouraged, because I also use that time not only to give you a topic, and that topic is typically on the math, solving math equations, or whatever the topic following. Like for Unit 2, I'll talk about stuff in Unit 3, and Unit 6, I'll probably try to talk about things that are going to happen in Unit 7. And that way you kind of I'll give some examples. If it's a math problem, then I will kind of work out one that's very similar to what you'll be working out. It also allows you time to interact with me and tell me what your questions are, and therefore we have a back and forth. There'll be probably 30 minutes of lecture and probably 30 minutes of open discussion. Again, like I said, attendance at the live sessions are highly encouraged. However, if you cannot attend the live sessions, the sessions will be recorded so that you can view it at your own schedule. Finally, or not finally, but one important thing is that you're all professionals. You're going to be, when you graduate here, you're going to be representing the safety profession. So writing is a huge part of any professional career. So therefore, I place great emphasis on writing as part of this course. Key thing for me, do not write your responses in first person style writing. In other words, don't use I say or I believe or anything like that. It's always use third person format. So I will tell you up front, I will probably, out of the 10 points, if you write in first person, I'm going to deduct 5 points right off the bat. Okay? When corresponding with me, my email address is william.yates@columbiasouthern.edu. Let me know your course number. That's the full course number, like OSH. I think this one is 6A23, I think is the course, because I teach several of these courses, and so I need to know what semester and what term. Keep in mind that I may be teaching 2 or 3 courses with the same title, so it's important to use that the term. I've already talked about telephone calls. I will take telephone calls that are not scheduled between the hours of 5:30 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. Tuesday through Thursday, and probably 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock. And I'm going to change that. I'll say 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock p.m., 11 o'clock a.m. to 12 o'clock p.m. on Saturdays. Again, all times that I refer to are central. An appointment must be arranged via email for that telephone conversation to occur. Let's see. Finally, I want you to learn something from this course, and that is a major goal in this course, is that you learn something, you have a good takeaway. If you're not learning something, I take this personally, and we need to work on that. This is my course, and I have a lot at stake to ensure that you do learn, so I want you to be successful. Again, welcome to the course, and I congratulate each of you for the self-improvement direction that you have chosen, and thank you for choosing Columbia Southern University as your learning institution. Thank you.